Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, congratulations for your success in passing grade 8. Since this is our first meeting in the civic class, I will socialize this semester civic syllabus. This semester we will study Chapter 1, Role and Function of Pancasila. Chapter 2, the 1945 Constitution of Indonesia. And the Chapter 3, Legislation. When you are in 7th grade, you have learned the history of the preparation and designation of the Pancasila. Now, in 8th grade, Chapter 1, Civic Subject, you will learn about the role and function of the Pancasila. You will also learn the values of Pancasila as the basis of the state and the nation's view of life and how to implement the values of Pancasila in the school, society, nation, and state. Before Miss Ervin explain this topic in detail, let's sing Garuda Pancasila together.
Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil maupun sentosa. Pribadi bangsaku, ayo maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju.
Why does a country need basis of state? Like a house. A house is built not from the walls first or the roof, but from the foundation. Why? Because the foundation will make the house strong and sturdy. Likewise with a country. If establishing a country needs basis of state as a foundation in the life of the state, so that the country is strong. So the country has a guideline and the destination will be taken to the country. Pancasila as the basis of the state. It means that the Pancasila as a guideline for the administration of the country or as a fundament to regulate the state government. If the country becomes a house, like what Miss Ervin said before, then this Pancasila will be the foundation that will later be used as a base for the next regulation. In this way, Pancasila is used as a bridge in the making of all laws and regulations of the state and various other regulations which regulate in various fields of life. Could be the political, social, economic, cultural, educational, or even defense and security fields. The basic law of Pancasila as the basis of the state. Pancasila becomes the basic norm or fundamental rule of the state. This is stated in the 4th paragraph of the opening of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. That state Maka disusunlah kemerdekaan kebangsaan Indonesia itu dalam suatu Undang-Undang Dasar Negara Indonesia yang terbentuk dalam suatu susunan negara Republik Indonesia yang berkedaulatan rakyat dengan berdasarkan kepada ketuhanan yang Maha Esa, kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab, persatuan Indonesia, dan kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan, serta dengan mewujudkan suatu keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Act Number 12 of 2011 concerning with the establishment of laws and regulations. Pancasila is the source of all sources of law. The material or content of its statutory regulation must come from Pancasila values and may not conflict with Pancasila. Pancasila is the nation view of life. It means that the Pancasila is used as a guide in behaving in social, national, and state life. Pancasila as the nation view of life is used as a guide in the daily life of the Indonesian people. The attitude and behavior of the Indonesian people must always be imbued with the noble values of Pancasila. Every nation in the world who wants to stand strongly and know clearly which direction they want to achieve is in need of a world view. Without having a view of life, a nation will feel at risk in the face of problems that arise, both the problem of its own community and the problems of the world. In the nation's view of life contained the basic concept of life aspired also contain the basic thought and ideas about life form that are considered good. The values contained in Pancasila are good values which are the outlook on life or ideal of the Indonesian people.
Students, I will give you assignment. The question is, number 1. What is the function of the basic state? Number 2. What are the consequences if a country doesn't have basic of state? Okay? Please do your assignment to me via Google Form, link provided, and good luck. See you on the next meeting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.